Let's go. We're about to hit 100K. This is crazy though. I honestly don't even know how to react. Like, it's not like I planned anything for this or like planned how to react to this or like, I don't know. I never like thought it would come, especially come this quick. Like I always thought I had to creep up to it, and now like we're blowing past it. I knew this day would come, but like you just I never prepared for this day. Like I don't really know how to react. When I hit 1,000 subs, it was like the craziest thing. I remember like I was like almost getting emotional. Like I was like, dude, I did it. Like I felt so accomplished. So now hitting 100,000 subs, that's so many people. Like it's crazy that like there's 100,000 of you out there watching me, like that know who I am and watch my videos enough and like them enough to actually want to be a part of it and subscribe. You know what I mean? It's just crazy. I've had it in my notes, I've had it on my whiteboards, I've had it as my screensaver. Like I've always thought like 100K, 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 like because it's just so crazy. It's like the first milestone. You get a plaque. It's just crazy. I keep saying it's crazy. It's crazy. Jeez, really about to do it. Yo, let's go.
9:53 and Matthews is sleeping. And we just hit 100K.
100K on YouTube. Wake up. We hit 100K.
We hit that shit today?
We gotta celebrate.
Am I starting to get paid or what? Am I starting making some money? It's got me feeling different now. I can only be caught drinking Fiji, nothing less, nothing but the best, you know. That's all I can be rocking with now.
Yeah, once you hit 100K, that's all you drink. We don't mess with that Zephyr Hills or Dasani anymore.
Fuck with the 99-cent water no more. It does not hit the same. It does not hit the same.
100K, baby, but you know, we're not just gonna celebrate today. We still got some work to do. This coil bucket in the last video you guys saw, it was a little bit messed up. Got cracked, and then they sent me the wrong one, so we're throwing the right one in. And then also we gotta bring the wheels to the tire shop, but also we gotta celebrate out here. 100K, it didn't come easy.
This shit's all crazy. We were fucking working on some crusty ass Jeeps, and now
I always said
crusty ass Corvettes.
Yo, what did I tell you, Matthews? From the beginning I was like, you know, even though we're working on Jeeps right now, one day
we won't be working on crusty Jeeps.
Judah had me eating rust trying to fix this fucking rust bucket. That blue Jeep.
The blue Jeep? Yeah, that thing.
Blue Jeep is,
hey, it was nice.
It was presentable. That's about it.
Yo, throw that coil bucket in for me.
So now you got 100K. I'm gonna start fucking doing the work now.
Yeah, you do the work now. Literally, this is so easy.
I'm not gonna lie.
It just goes in like that. You had it right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shit line up.
Dude, how is this even possible? Literally, they sent me the wrong one again. Look at this. I just go to put the new one in. This is the old one. This is the new one. Look at it.
Can't make this shit up.
Literally, it's this. Like, how is this possible? It's the wrong one. Yeah, look at the part numbers are different. There's the part number right there.
This is retarded. This is
Bro,
never getting on the road at this point.
At this rate,
it ain't our fault either.
Listen, and then you guys out there fix the car. Look at what I'm dealing with right now. All right, bro. Well,
that's easy.
I'm gonna go bring this back, and I'm gonna bring in this one too, so they don't freaking mess it up again. Let's get
part 3.
Let's grab these wheels, drop them off at least.
So now we're about to try to get some work done. We're gonna get our new tires mounted up that aren't so new. That wheel's nice. Muscle man.
So I honestly got hooked up on some tires, but my boy works at the dealership and gave me these like, honestly like 80% tread, same tires as these for free. So we're saving money out here. Save money, live better.
Not Walmart, Judah's
Not Walmart,
garage.
Judah's garage. Made it to the tire shop. Gonna get these tires mounted up. Honestly, we're just gonna drop them off though. Pick them up later. We can't really do anything with them anyway.
No point in waiting around.
Yeah, just drop them off. Get on with our day. We hit 100K. We got some celebration to do. What up, dude? What up? Yo, I'm dropping off my C8 wheels. What you up to?
Working, watching Judah's garage in my downtime.
Yeah? You like the new videos?
Yeah, I've been watching.
Thanks, bro. He's gonna make a YouTube channel.
At some point.
At some point, I'm trying to convince him. All right, well, get the hell out of there. I need some help unloading this shit. Get him to do all the work.
I need to fix that for real.
Essentially, it wasn't that bad. It was only like, I think it was 400 bucks. That new dub, though. What the fuck?
What?
Bro, dude, what is up with my luck, bro? Chevy, what is going on? What the hell? Look at this. Like, bro, that's like a major... Dude. Yo.
Hey, buddy.
What up, dude? I got some debacles going on.
What's the matter?
So the coil bucket, you wouldn't believe it. It's the wrong one again. You bought the same one that we already had. I don't know how it's possible, but it's the same one we already had. And also, I just took this wheel out of the box, and it has a huge, like a huge gouge out of it. Like, it's like damaged.
Oh, man. I'll send the wheel back on Monday. Just bring it right into me dude.
All right.
Get on that right fucking boom Monday morning. And then we'll figure out the other thing too, man.
Sounds good, man. I guess I'll see you Monday morning. Yeah, I'm gonna get the swap because of this. Look at this. We do it right around here. That's messed up.
I just realized I have my hat, and this guy probably thinks I'm a fucking idiot. I literally just threw it on because I was like recording.
And you forgot.
And I forgot. That's embarrassing. This guy, he looked at me kind of like, what up, dude? I was
this
like,
guy's an idiot.
Yeah, no, he looked at me kind of funny, and I didn't. I just like, nah, dude, you're just thinking that.
All right, Matthews. Will he do it? Will he do it? He jumps.
Oh. Ouch. Ouch.
Yep.
Damn, Sheila. One day we'll have it.
This guy with that Confederate flag was checking out my truck.
Once we got the horse fucking paid off. I swear to you, once I fix that damn tractor, we'll get something like that. Yeah! Yeah!
What up? I appreciate it, bro.
God dang.
Did you just hit the damn mud hole?
Yeah, no, yeah. This bitch ain't get washed in months.
Hell yeah, brother. Probably happier than us, to be honest. They're living it.
Yeah, for sure. We're making jokes to be funny, not because we're hating.
We're not hating. Who's happier? He might be happier in that truck. They look like they're having a good time. It's not the truck, it's the man in the truck. All right, Matthews, you've worked real hard. We hit 100K. I want you to pick whatever you want. You can honestly pick 2 things. I'll let you. Oh, that. What about? I could see you wearing that. What do you think? Do you want an I-8? That's kind of fire. It's got some frame damage.
Can I get it? This one? Can I get this?
Nah.
Can I get this?
Now we're talking.
Attention all shoppers, attention all shoppers. Officially just hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Let's go!
Guys gonna be fun. I guess all this time I've been spending with you, dicking around, working hard, really paid off. Thank you, Judah, for the ice cream.
What do you desire? What makes
998. Oh my god, dude, this is crazy. Like, I mean, I guess it's not a crazy amount, but to me, I mean, I don't know. I've been dreaming about this for 6 months now since I started, and even 6 months before that, before I even started the channel. Like, we're about to hit it any second now. This is crazy. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, everyone that supports me on this, like literally from day one when I started this YouTube stuff, like everyone's always supported me. And of course, there's been some hate along the way, but for the most part, I don't know, everyone's always supported me from day one. And I know I told y'all I was gonna do it, and now we're at 100K, and now, you know, it's only up from here. But to hit 100K is literally insane, dude. That's like an accomplishment that takes people, like, I don't even know, people their whole life they've been working at it, and it took me less than 2 years. So it's sick, man. Especially everyone that supports me is excited for everything that I'm doing, and everyone that texts me that get inspired by what I do and get motivated by when I accomplish my goals, that motivates them to accomplish their goals. That's why I do it. And honestly, it's just so sick. That's all I can say. Just thank you from the bottom of my heart.
completely wasting your time? You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go. Short life that is full of what you like doing, and a long life spent in a miserable way. And after all, if you do really like what you're doing, it doesn't matter what it is.